Affordable Amazon finds, essential men's grooming products under $10. Welcome to the world of affordable grooming must-haves, tailored just for you, all under $10 on Amazon. First on the list is a beard bib beard apron, beard hair catcher for men shaving and trimming, non-stick beard cape grooming cloth. Keep your sink clean and saves your time. To ensure easy disposal, our beard bib catches your beard, sideburns, and hair trimmings. Easy to use, just attach the neck straps and secure the beard catcher to the mirror, then start with your normal grooming process. Unhook the beard apron from the suction cups when finished. Dump the contents into your trash receptacle. Please use sucks on a clean surface only. Next, we have the Manicure Set Personal Care Nail Clipper Kit Manicure 8-in-1 Professional Pedicure Set Men's Accessories Grooming Kit. Contains nail and toenail tools, multifunctional include hand care, facial care, foot care tools. Last, but definitely not least, the Interneed Food Grade Soft Silicone Body Scrubber Shower Brush Handheld Cleansing Skin Brush, gentle exfoliating and lather well. For all skin types, the skin-friendly soft silicone body brush is suitable for all kinds of skin, especially for those with sensitive skin. More hygienic and easy to clean, this silicone body scrubber is made of food-grade silicone material that is easy to clean, quick-drying, and has no residue. It is gentle on the skin, does not cause irritation or redness, is more durable and hygienic than a loofah and does not feel scratchy.